good evening. My name is Hinda and welcome to my channel. Here are some of the things that I've worked on in the past week or so. So first of all, I have this cow. It came out so absolutely adorable. I love how it came out, and I'm definitely gonna make more of these in the future when I get more fuzzy and good kind of yarn for these projects. Next, with the leftover yarn, I made this birdie over here to join the family. And also this big nice ice cream. If you know my channel, you know that I'm obsessed with making ice creams. So any new yarn that I get, I have to make at least one kind of ice cream with it. Next, I have this giraffe that I basically just free-handed the pattern. I really wanted to make a giraffe and I couldn't find a pattern that I liked. So I basically just free-handed it, and you can tell that it's not so neat. It's a bit sloppy. But I'm hoping to make a few improvements and then maybe making an actual pattern and tutorial out of it, because I think the idea is pretty cute. It just needs some improvement. Next, I have this fuzzy heart that I made. Maybe I could add like a keychain and then it could make like a nice little keychain thing. Then I have these cherries that I made, and I actually have a tutorial on it. If you would like to make them yourself, they're very easy and fun to make. I made 2 pairs. Here's another one. They came out so cute and adorable. Then, of course, yet another ice cream, this time with a 2 scoop layers. Then I have this pear that I made. I really like how the shape came out. I kind of free-handed the shape, but it came out really nice and looks very much like a real pear shape. Next, this little cactus plant, which is absolutely adorable. I really want to make a few of these to use as like decorations around the house, and it's just so cute. And talking about plants, I made a few tulip plants. Of course, I made one, loved it, so I had to make a few more, and I'm planning to make yet a few more of these and then like kind of make a little vase to hold them and make like a little decoration thingy. And for my biggest project of this week was this sweater, top-down raglan knit sweater. Very easy, very simple. I have a full tutorial if you would like to check it out. And I love making these sweaters. They are so fun and easy to make. I love doing the raglan because then you don't have to look to pick up the stitches for the sleeve. You have all the stitches ready, and it's very fun project to make. So that's what I have for this past week. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. All the best.